Hey everybody, it's Lori Broccolini again, happynaturalhorse.com and Natural Equine Remedies. So, I wanted to show you, so if you have the wand and you want to know what to do with it with your horse, if you have hind end issues, of course do the pain point release. And then if they're still showing some muscle soreness, you want to look to the diet and you want to at least get the Minizyme. It's called the Minizyme from Big Sky, and you want to get the Big Sky because a lot of horses are lacking in magnesium. Okay, so if you have your wand, this says, this doctor here said that the hind end problems is probably from reiners, jumpers, race horses, any kind of polo, barrel racing. A string halt is definitely a magnesium deficiency. And then they have fibrotic myopathy, shivers, that is also a mineral deficiency, and it's easily remedied. And PSSM, I've found out, is like tying up and it's storing sugars. So the Big Sky will definitely help, and so would the Minizyme. But if you have your wand too, these are the areas, the lateral digital extensor that you can use, the deep digital flexor. I would wand here. I would wand the biceps. I would wand all these muscles right here. And then what I would do is I would make sure that you open your horse up. So you would take the wand and you would go from here and you would just blow down the spine out 3 times and then go all the way down, like blow out 3 times this way, just on the spine, and then go again on each side and go all the way, blow into the back heel right here. And you're just going to blow. And now you could use low or low heat, either one, no high heat. And that's what you would do. And so these are all the lymph nodes. They call it swollen leg syndrome. I have a ebook on that, and it tells you exactly what to do to remedy that, especially if you have swollen edema and whatever they call it, the lymphangitis. So it's real cellulitis is what it's called. So you want to take your wand, again, open up the horse 3 times around the body, out, and then 3 times down, and then out this back hoof. And you can do either side. I would do both sides, but the one on the spine, you only have to do 3 times. And then what I would do is just do like sweeps along the neck area where the lymph nodes are. And that's all you do. You just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get that whole area, and you can stand back and that whole Terahertz would get that neck. And then what you want to do is you want to do the shoulder, and then you want to sweep out. You want to sweep out, and then you want to sweep over here, and then you want to sweep this hind end right there, right that point is, and sweep out, and then go down the legs, go down the legs, go down the legs. 3 times on each area, so that'd be like 1 area 3 times, so that'd be 9 times. And then the shoulder 9 times. In here, in the heart area, in the lung area, 3 times, and then sweep over here 3 times, that would be 9 times, and then here, and blow out, and do both sides. And see how your horse acts. The terahertz frequency, it is amazing what it does. Let's see if I got it here. So the terahertz, I don't know why it doesn't want to move. Let's see, I'll just move this. How about that? How about that? I'll just move that. How about that? I'll just move that. So it activates the weak and inactive stem cells. It balances stress. It boosts eyesight and hearing. It cleanses. So if you have a horse that has impure blood, you're feeding it wrong, or it's got something going on with it, this is what you would do with your wand, the Terahertz one. It's $350. I suggest you can get the premium. It's up to you. Whatever you can afford. You can It's great for lowering your blood pressure. It improves anti-aging. There's so many people that they had gray hair and now their hair is growing back. My eyebrows are finally coming back in. Look at that. They're finally coming back in. I wand myself on a daily basis, and I give myself a week off. I mean, a day off, excuse me. It does sharpen your mental focus, and it strengthens your immune system. So, and it also removes any kind of water retention. So if you work on your body, and a lot of people want to lose weight, so you just work on the fatty areas, and it'll absorb the cells. So anyway, so that's what you do for cellulitis lip treating this. That's what you do. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, this is the holistic course talks about it. And if you got scratches like this, baby, get on the big sky. Come on. It works. It's a copper sulfate deficiency, but this is a swollen one. So it's very, very, it can be deadly. So, alrighty. Bye. Have a good day.